Guys, for today's video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo ang isa pang method kung paano mag-factor quadratic trinomial for a is not equal to 1. Ang method na ito ay tinatawag na slide method. Okay, in the comment section po, gusto ko po malaman kung which of the two method na tinuturo ko sa inyo ang mas madali. Yung unang method ba, which is the diagonal method, or itong slide method ang mas madali para sa inyo. Step po dito is gawin natin tong gawin natin a is equal to 1. So, paano ba yan gawin? We will create another quadratic trinomial. So, we have to multiply. First step po is multiply natin tong 3 by negative 5. Okay? So, 3 times negative 5, nagiging negative 15. So, our new quadratic equation is p square minus 2p minus 15. Okay? Ang ginawa natin, we multiply 3 by negative 5. That's multiplication po. Okay, so this is our new quadratic trinomial. P square minus 2p minus minus 15. Okay, next step is, kung napapansin ninyo, ito na po yung quadratic trinomial as a is equal to 1. So, itinuro ko na po ito sa unang lesson. Okay? So, now we have to list all the factors of negative 15. Tapos, add natin. We are going to hanapin po natin yung sum ng factors na negative 15 is equal to negative 2. This is from lesson, unang video kong ginawa po. Okay? So, negative 15, the factors are 5 times negative 3. That's negative 15. So, add natin. That's 5 plus negative 3. That is equal to positive 2. So, this is not our factor na hinahanap kasi positive 2 to. Ito. So, let's try negative 5 po. Negative 5 times 3. So, add natin sila. Negative 5 plus 3. Perfect. That's negative 2. Therefore, the factors are negative 5 and 3. Ibig sabihin po, the factors of p square minus 2p minus 15 are p minus 5 and p plus 3. Okay, notice it's not the answer since 3p square minus 2p minus 5 is not equal to p square minus 2p minus 15. Okay? So, kanina, kung napapansin ninyo, yung 3, minumultiply natin sa 5, this time, we're going to take the reverse. So, pag nag-multiply tayo ng 3 sa 5 kanina, this time, we have to divide by 3. So, divide natin to by 3 and divide natin to by 3. First is, simplify po ang dapat masimplify. So, unahin natin itong unang factor. 5, no? And 3, hirap po siya masimplify. So, therefore, dito na po lumabas yung tinatawag nating slide method. I-slide lang po natin tong 3 dito sa p. So, the factor becomes 3p minus 5. Ayan po. So, next is, yung 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So, we have p plus 1. Okay? So, ito yung answer natin. Ito yung factors ng 3p square minus 2p minus 5. 2v square plus 11v plus 5. Unang step, multiply natin tong 2 by 5 to recreate another quadratic trinomial. So we have 2 times 5. Ayan, multiply natin sila. That's multiplication. So that is the new quadratic equation. Our new quadratic equation is v square plus 11v plus 10. Alright? So next is we have to list all the factors of 10. The sum is equal to 11. So 10. No? Try natin ang 10 times 1. Add natin 10 plus 1. Okay, is equal to 11. Perfect. Ang dali lang, di ba? So, 11. Therefore, the factors na hinahanap natin are 10 and 1. Okay? So, this quadratic equation, quadratic trinomial v square plus 11v plus 10. The factors are v plus 10 from 10 and v plus 1. Okay? So, we're not yet done. Reverse natin ang ginawa natin kanina. Kung nag-multiply tayo ng 2, this time, we have to divide by 2. Divide by 2 and divide by 2. Simplify po. Okay, so v plus, masimplify po ang 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Okay, so v plus 5. This one, 1/2 Cannot be simplified na. Okay, so ang gawin natin dito, slide lang natin. Okay, dito po yun mag-slide. So, nagiging 2v plus 1. Therefore, ito na po yung factors ng 2v square plus 11v plus 5, which is v plus 5 times the quantity of 2v plus 1.